Hello everyone, I'm going to walk you through on how to run this script. The first step is to head to the official website of appliFLY and click this download button. Once you click it, it's going to download the appliFLY zip file for you. While you're at it, it will prompt you to connect with me on different social media platforms, and I would recommend you to go ahead and do that. With that out of the way, the next step is to find out where you downloaded the zip file. For me, it was in my downloads folder. So I'm going to CD into the downloads folder and I'm going to open that place in my Finder. I'm going to double click the zip file and it's going to unzip it for me. This mainly should have 3 folders. If you have these 3 files, requirement.txt, env.txt, and appliFLY.py, you're good to go. So now that we know we have all the 3 files, let us cd into the appliFLY folder and open it in the code editor. I use VS Code, so I'm going to open it in VS Code. Now that we have the code on our hands, let us open the env.txt file first. This file asks us to do 2 steps. The first step is to create a .env file within the same folder. So that's what I'm going to do. The second step is to paste all the contents of this file into the .env file. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Now that we have done both the steps, we can close this file. Within the .env file, we need to fill all the details this file is asking for. To start with, you need to put in your ASU username and password. Don't be worried, this script does not use or does not log or post any of your data anywhere. It's just a script that you run on your local machine, and that's about it. Secondly, once you're done putting in your username and password, you need to answer this according to your needs and situation. Lastly, you need to provide the absolute path for your resume and your cover letter. So if you don't know how to do that, you can follow these links for the respective platforms and they're going to guide you on how to find the absolute path for a file. For me, the file was present at this location, so I'm going to paste this here, and that's how you're going to do it too, right? With that out of the way, we are halfway there. Once you've filled all the information needed in this file, you can close this, save it and close it, and then you open the appliFLY.py file. You can briefly go over all these points and you will soon realize that we have completed the first 3 points. And the next point is to install all the dependencies required to run this program. So you need to copy this command and go to your terminal, and you need to cd into the same appliFLY folder which has these files. And then you need to run this command within the terminal. So that is what I'm going to do. I've already installed these dependencies, so I'm not going to do them again. Moving ahead, once you install all the dependencies, the next step is to ensure you have a good internet connection, which I do. And lastly, you need to make sure you've already manually applied to at least one job. With that out of the way, we are ready to go and we are ready to run the script. Once you have all these steps confirmed and completed, all you need to do is again be in the same folder where the files are and run this command, python.appliFLY.py. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you some prerequisites and notes and it's going to initiate the script. That's about it. That's all you need to do.